The homeowner had the old Bubble Skylight, really a condensation trap. So when they're in the bathroom, the shower, causing all the condensation, there was no way for that condensation to get out. It caused a lot of damage in the chase part of the skylight shaft and the ceiling area with the old style Bubble Skylight. I've challenged some homeowners on the phone before. They'll say, you know, I wish I could see out my skylight, but I don't want to spend the money to replace it. It's really okay. And I say, not really. The new VELUX Skylight will give great performance in ventilation and energy efficiency. The glass is insulated, it's low-E coated. It is really the next generation of high-performance glass. This particular product has a blind in the skylight, which is also solar powered, because you also want to be able to control the daylight coming in the house in some rooms. And the blind allows you to do that with the remote control. And you can feel the difference. The VELUX product is sort of out of the box, good to go. We're not tearing your house up. We are removing the old skylight and putting the new skylight down. As soon as it's installed, you can push a couple buttons and start operating the unit. They're going to see a night and day difference between the old skylight and the new one. It's going to be perfect in this situation, and the homeowner's going to love it.